Make sure you stick around until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I'm back out programming, and today we're going to be programming this 2017 Dodge Ram. Now I'm going to be using the Auto Pro Pad G2 Turbo. I want to put it to the test, but what I really want to do is Ilco recently just came out with these look-alike replacement fob-it keys. Now here's what it looks like compared to the OEM style. Okay, so it's a little different, but the interesting part was Ilco came out with a bunch of remotes, you know, aftermarket look-alikes for these, and then they discontinued them for whatever reason. I really don't know the story behind it. And then here, I don't know, about a year later, they come out with these instead, okay? And so I have not programmed one of these yet. I'm really anxious to see how it does, okay? And at the same time, it'll be fun to put the G2 Turbo up on this Ram here. So let's go ahead, hop inside, and get to work. All right, so we have the Auto Pro Pad Turbo. We have it plugged into the OBD2 port, and we're ready to get programming. Now, of course, we're going to be doing this Bluetooth, right? There's nothing, no cords actually attached to this. So let's go ahead and get programming here. So we're going to go into Immobilizer. Hit agree to the disclaimer. Then we're going to go to Chrysler USA. So essentially, all Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, you know, go under Chrysler here for the most part. So now we'll go to Dodge, and we're going to go to Ram, and this is a 17, so we'll click right there. All right, so we're going to add a key, and this is a fob-it. Okay, so turn hazard lights on and switch ignition to off position. Okay, so it's in the off position. The hazards are right here. So we hit that. You can hear them going now. And we'll say yes. Please place the new fob-it into the ignition. An ignition switch must be in the lock or off. So we're just going to pop it into the ignition here. That's it. We'll hit OK. Enter security code. Well, guess what? We got to go get that, don't we? So let's get at it. Let's back up here. Go to read PIN code. Okay, so you can see the security code is a 2002. So we'll go back into add key. Pops it up for us. So we're good there. So once we read it, it essentially took that over and took that information over and programmed. So there we go. It says programming success that quick. So let's go ahead and, of course, I'm going to unplug the OBD2 cable here and put my foot on the brake. Let's start her up. All right, so that works good. No security light on or anything. Let's go ahead and try the original key here. There we go. Now, of course, sometimes I always forget in the videos, we have to try the buttons, right? So let's try them. Look at that. There we go. Lock, double start. There we go. Remote start active. All right, well, I tell you what, that Auto Pro Pad Turbo did a fantastic job programming this key, I have to say. I really liked it, really simple. I also love this new look-alike remote here from Ilco. It's, you know, a little different shaped here, like I was showing you, but I tell you what, I really love it. Programmed up really nicely, which at the end of the day, that's what we really care about, right? So I think it did great. I'd love to know what you think and what star rating the Auto Pro Pad deserves on this vehicle. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm guessing if you just watched this video that you work with locks and keys. And to us here at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, we post videos on YouTube, like the one you just watched. And all you need to do is comment on the videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do this, you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give out each and every week. No purchase necessary. So if you're a lock boss, join us each week to learn, grow, and win.